Hi, I'm Megan with MacEwan University Sport and Wellness, and I'm here to take you through our next exercise of the month series. Our series this time around is going to be using our fit ball. So our first movement today is going to be a push-up with our feet elevated on the fit ball. So this targets upper body as well as a little bit of core. The farther you place your feet back onto the ball, the harder it's going to become. The closer you shift that ball up towards the knees or the hips even, it will take away some of the intensity of that movement. We're going to go ahead and get ourselves set up in the position that we feel comfortable in on the ball. I like to set up my feet about hip width apart for stability's sake. Hands underneath the shoulders, tuck that tailbone underneath, sternum to the spine so the core is nice and straight. And we're going to bend our elbows to lower down to the floor as low as you can, and then squeezing those elbows into the side to come back up to the top of the movement. We want to do our best from letting the hips not sink down. We also don't want to be piking up too high as well.